All right, hi everybody. I'm going to be explaining the main components of a computer. So what you're looking at here is the motherboard. This is just a PNG of a motherboard, but this is what the main circuit looks like. And this circuit board connects all the other components together, and it's how they all work fluidly. It allows communication between each component. All of these slots is where different parts can be connected in. The next main one being the CPU. The CPU is the central processing unit, and it performs all of the calculations and processes all of the data needed to run applications and access the internet and things like that. Next up is the GPU. This is the graphics processing unit. This handles rendering images, videos, video games, anything graphical is run through this, and it can split the load of some of the weight that would be placed on the CPU can then go to a separate unit, the GPU. These are RAM sticks, also known as memory, and it's temporary storage that holds data while processes are running. Storage is not, nothing is permanently stored on these devices. It's just the required memory. The real storage is here, and these are SSD drives, solid state drives. There's also hard disk drives, which is a little bit of an older style of drive. They're still used though. And this is just a spinning disk that can read and write, and so you have all of your permanent storage kept on the SSDs or your hard disk drives. You also need a fan to keep your computer cool. If it overheats, it will cause damage and run poorly, and so fans are preventative and definitely necessary and essential. And finally, you have the power supply, which powers everything. It takes power in and it distributes the proper amounts to the right components. And I think that's your basic rundown. You'd also need a case to enclose all of this, and peripherals, which would be your mouse and keyboard, your external storage, and like a monitor. And so there you go. There's your basic rundown of a computer.